I just thought I'd pop some batteries into these other two and see what sounds they make. This one, when I switch it on, the light flashes, but we're getting no sound out of it. And this one, fresh batteries in it. And we're not getting flashing LEDs. Nothing's happening at all. So I have got two I can do something useful to, or at least I can take them apart and see if we can fix them. It's just purely luck that I chose that one to try out. So yeah, we do have some work to do. Hi guys, bought these in a charity shop the other day, simply because I wanted to take them apart and find out how they worked. I only needed to buy one, but they were 3 items for £1. In fact, I bought 2 in one shop and 1 in another shop, but they were both doing 3 items for £1. So there was some other stuff I bought. Anyway, just at random, this is the first one I had a look at. Put fresh batteries in it. And it works. I did a tear down on it so we could have a look inside. But yeah, it actually works. I was interested to know if they actually had electric motors in them, and that one doesn't. I'm not sure if any of them do, but that one doesn't. The way they work, they've got a black blob in there that does the controls. You can press a button to make it go through its sequence of sound effects, or if you have the right track, when it goes over the track has bits that stick up, and press these in a particular sequence, rather like binary code. There's eight digits there, and depending on which ones are pressed depends on what it actually plays. You also have to have that one pressed at the same time or it doesn't interact. There's also a little switch in there that detects the wheels turning, and that also does something. So that's what we've discovered taking that one apart. Then just before I finished that video, I put batteries in these two and they don't work. This one, the lights come on. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one, the lights come on, but there's no sound effects. So we'll have a look inside that one and find out what's wrong with it. And this one, oh, that was left on. But yeah, we don't even get any lights out of this one. So we'll look at this one first. Oh, that odd screw, when I took that one apart, that was sticking to the magnet of the speaker. It wasn't missing from anywhere, so that must have been in the manufacturing. That dropped in and got stuck to the speaker. So that's why there's an odd screw there. Anyway, that can go on the floor. That can go on the floor. And we'll have a look inside this one. So it is fresh batteries I've put in there. So it's not a low battery situation. Okay, so speaker. This arrangement here presses that button there, and it also makes that wobble around. So you push that, pushing that in makes that one move, or at least it would. Yeah. Okay, but we're not really interested in that lot. Oh, right up inside there, there's a bit of a circuit board. Which is, yeah, that's going to be for the LEDs there. That's what that's for. So if we switch it on, yeah, see the LEDs in there. Switch it off again. So we got no sound. Is it as simple as a wire off the speaker? Nope, wires look okay. Well, we'll take the rest of it apart anyway. This is one of those annoying ones that uses different size screws for different parts. The longer screws were the first ones I took out. Is that going to come apart? No, we've got to take the rest of the screws off. Okay. That's the axles for the wheels. Got that little cam on there sticking out. That's the one that will be operating that little spring effect there. Let's go a bit close up. Okay. So there's a little spring action switch, momentary switch, that will be pushed down as that cam rotates. I'm just wondering if that's why it isn't working. Where's my button to press? That one there. No, that's not making any difference. Oh, hang on. Is loose wire on the speaker. There we go. I didn't notice that. So we'll solder that back on and we should be in business.
Need me to do any work? part in the field. It'll all be love, just wait and see. Yahoo! I'm all clean now. Yee-haw! I'm ready to get to work.
Well, that does seem to be working. I don't know what the sequence is we need for these, but we appear to be working again. So I'll put it back together. I just done that wrong? No, I think that's right.
Yahoo! My strong wheels move well on rough ground.
So, there we go. That one is working.
Over the rolling hills, driving through the fields. Hi-ho, here we go. What a wonderful day. Yahoo!
I suppose it's meant to be a tractor, is it? Don't know if they're working or not. All seems a little bit intermittent unless you actually know what track it's going over. Anyway, I'll call that one working. It makes a noise. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.